Good evening, y'all. Rock out here. Was gifted a couple little locks. An Abus 5540. It has an N. I've seen the 5540s, but this one has an N in front of it. I don't know what difference that is, but I was gifted that. I love the brass padlocks, so I'll play with that thing. And this cable lock, I don't know, gun lock or bicycle thing, something, I don't know, but I was gifted them both. Don't have a key for either of them, so thought we'd just play with them a little bit and kind of see what we can do. The other 5540 that I had before this had spools in it, so I don't know if the N makes a difference or not. These had both been used, so probably pretty gritty. And well, okay, that's open. That thing is incredibly stiff and gritty, but hopefully you can hear that. This thing's, but people from work and stuff will lose keys, and everybody knows to bring me stuff. This is awkward being as small as it is. Both of those. The Abus was kind of hard to hold on to. I think the other 5540 I had, I picked in the vise because it was small and hard to hold on to. There we go. Okay, just something short and sweet. So a couple little locks. I'll just throw them in the collection with everything. I was using a monkey paw in 25 thousandths. I don't super care for this pick. I much prefer a flat hook. This, I got it a while ago. I'm sure everybody knows what a monkey paw is, but that little groove on there throws me off on the pins. I don't care for it. It's going to go back in the back of the phone case. Anything I know that can be bypassed. 1 second. I keep it in the back of my phone case with a couple other things, and in case anything I know like this that can be bypassed. That's what I prefer this thing for. It's 25 thousandths, so it's thick. It won't really bend up too much, and you can just go in and bypass certain locks. So I have an American 1100 you can bypass with this as well. So I don't know. That's what I think it'll end up doing, is going back in the phone case. But that's about it. Thank you everyone for watching, commenting, subscribing, sharing. We broke 200, so I'm kind of starting to put together a few things. I'm going to do a giveaway at 250, and so I appreciate every single person that interacts on here with me and stuff. Love you guys. You rock. And that's about all I have. Thanks for watching, and have a good night.